Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rejoice, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 6 essential hair tools you need for your natural hair. Whether you're just starting your natural hair journey or you've been growing your hair for a while but you still feel confused about which tools to use, then this video is for you. If you're new here or you're just seeing my face for the first time, welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate it. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. It is absolutely free. And don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I post a new video. Alright, without any further delay, let's jump right into today's video.
The first hair tool you will need is a white comb. This is a must-have for detangling your hair. It helps to make detangling very easier without causing any hair breakage. Unlike smaller combs, a white tooth comb glides through your coils with less tension, making detangling way easier and less painful. Now the next is an applicator bottle. This is perfect for applying oils or treatment directly to your hair and scalp, especially if you have a protective styles like braids or twist. It helps target your roots and reduce product wastage, okay? Your scalp will thank you if you get this applicator bottle. So the next is a detangling brush. This is good. A good detangling brush works wonders on knots. It helps to smoothen your strands and define your curls while minimizing shedding. Just remember, always detangle with a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner for that sleep, okay? So the next is a sectioning comb. This little tool makes styling and wash day much easier because sectioning your hair allows you to work in parts, which helps you apply products evenly and detangle more efficiently. Okay, so the next is a scalp massager. If you are not massaging your scalp, girl, you are missing out because massager helps boost blood circulation, or massaging your scalp helps to boost blood circulation to the scalp, which can encourage hair growth. Okay, plus it feels so relaxing, especially on wash days. Okay, you can also massage your scalp when you shampoo your hair if you don't want to use the tips of your fingers. So the last tool is a spray bottle. Natural hair loves moisture, and a spray bottle filled with water or a DIY mix is your quick fix. Use it to refresh your coils, prep your hair before styling, or rehydrate your strands anytime they feel dry. Okay? So these tools might seem simple, but trust me, they make a big difference in your hair journey, and they cost nothing less than 10,000 naira. So which of these tools do you already have? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more natural hair tips. Your crown deserves the best, okay? So let me know in the comment section which of these tools you have or which one you'll be getting first, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.